How to view and manage the connection table. We begin in SFOS with the main dashboard called the Network Security Control Center. We click on the connection link, which redirects us to the System Resources mini dashboard. When we select a main menu item, such as CPU and memory, we are presented with a System Tools menu. Under System Tools, we click on the Connection Table link. This sends us to the Connection List main menu. From here, we can view the active session table as well as drop or delete any active sessions. We can view the state of a session, which includes source and destination interfaces, source and destination IP addresses, ports, and protocols. We can also add additional properties to this view. There are many to choose from via the drop-down menu. In this case, we will be adding rule ID, connection status, and expiry time. We can scroll to the right of the screen to view the added fields. Viewing a session ID by rule ID also helps isolate and troubleshoot packets going through a specific firewall rule. We can also delete or kill an active session by clicking on the trash icon. We also have the ability to filter the connection display by clicking on the Display Filter tab. This allows us to filter by interface, user, protocol, port, and packet type and IP address. In this example, we select port 1 as our internal network interface, port 2 as our external facing interface, and select Bob as a user. Now we can view the connection list by the filtered objects. We will need to add the username field from additional properties to see Bob in the filtered session view. From there, we can take action. In this case, we decided to delete Bob's session from the connection list, which removes his active session from the firewall state table.